In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best ways that I know of to get rid of black widow spiders and how to prevent them. I really like to use this product, Ortho Home Defense. It's very effective and works immediately. Just turn the knob to on, and on the handle right here, you just have to slide this bar up so that you can pull the trigger and, of course, connect the nozzle as well. And then what you're going to do is start spraying around the edge of all the doors and the foundation, and then additional things like these planter boxes. We have those. Also like to spray along windowsills. You're going to want to spray about 3 to 6 inches away from the foundation. Imagine you're creating a barrier that the bugs are not going to want to cross to get into the units or into the home. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, so I just sprayed along all of the front doors and the patios, and I just continued to go along that way. And then also a little bit of spraying on the windowsills, and then along the planters as well, and then the edge of the parking as well. So that gives a pretty good barrier, and we do this once a month as well. Hope that's helpful for you. Thank you for watching.